Hello. Today we are going to go over how to clean our heated cabinets. Begin by turning the cabinet off and allowing it to cool down. Once the cabinet is cool, remove the racking from the cabinet by lifting the racking off of the I-shaped racking supports. The racking can be cleaned with a mild detergent and water. Avoid using dishwasher-style detergents that are not safe for aluminum when washing the racking. To clean the inside of the cabinet, you can use a cloth with mild detergent and water as well. Once you have cleaned the cabinet, wipe the inside of the cabinet out with a damp cloth. To clean the glass door on the cabinet, use a non-toxic, ammonia-free glass cleaner and a soft cloth. Now we can reinstall the racking. Just line up the holes on the racks with the I-shaped racking supports and set the racking on them. Note: some hot holding cabinets have the racking built into the walls. In this case, just wipe the racking down like you did for the walls of the cabinet. Thank you for watching this training video.